Question number 2. Question number 2. We will consider this angle is x sine x equal sine x over 8.5 equal sine 40 over 10.2. Sine x equal 8.5 times sine 40 over 10.2. X equals sine inverse 8.5 sine 40 over 10.2. So you'll get the answer at 32.38. So this is 32.38. Then this angle B equal 180 minus 40 plus 32.38. Sum of triangle. So that is the reason. So B is, this is 107.62. So this is 107.62. Now I want to find this distance AC. Then AC over sine 107.62 equal AC over sine 85, okay, 10.2 over sine 40. So AC equal 10.2 times cross multiply sine 107.62 divided by sine 40. So this is going to be 15.12 centimeter. Now we want to find the area. So we need, it is AC, area of triangle ABC equal, we need the angle, if we know the angle, then we need two known length and the angle should be inside it. So when I look at this one, I know AC and I know AB and I know inside the angle. Then I simply write half a AB sine C. This is the rule. Sine C, then half a times 15.12 times 8.5 sine 40, which is 41.30 square centimeter. Also you can find the area like this as well, half a 8.5 10.4 sine 107.62. Or this is also right, half a 10.2 15.18. What is the angle in between? Sine 32.38. That is also right. Part B. When I look at this data, I can see that I can't apply sine rule because I don't have a length and a triangle, non-triangle. If I take this length, I don't know this angle. If I take this length, I don't know this angle. Okay, if I take this long angle, then I don't know this length, so it doesn't work now. Sine is failing. Then I will go back and see cos. Yes, I can write. I can find a base rate from the cos rule. So from cos rule, AB square equal 4.9 square plus 6.8 square minus 2 times 4.9 6.8 cos 110, which is 93.04. AB square, and AB is 9.645, which is 9.65. So this is going to be 9.65 centimeter. Now I want to find those two angles. So we'll find this angle. This is x. I'll take this is x. So sine x over 6.8 equal um, 9.65. Sorry, sine 110 over 9.65. So sine x equal 6.8 times sine 110 over 9.65. So x equals sine inverse 6.8 sine 110 over 9.65. So this is going to be 41.49. So this value is 41.49. Now B equal 180 minus 110 plus 41.49. This is going to be so 28.51. This now we need to find the area. So now we know everything. I will write here because I can use all the board. Area of triangle ACB equal half. You can work either way. Right? 4.9 times 6.8 times sine 110. Oh, so I use this angle. Now I'm going to use this angle. Half 6.8 9.65 times sine 28.5. Oh, now I want to use half 9.65 4.9 sine 41.49. Any of these works equal, you will get the answer 15.7 square centimeter. question number 3. I'm just going to get rough idea first. The hike walk due north. Okay, start from here, from A. Due north means this direction, north direction. Yeah, he go 8 and reach B. She then walk further 8 kilometer. Like further 8 kilometer, not on this direction. The bearing 120. So I want to find the bearing 120. So from here I want to measure 120. So this is the point. So 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 90, and 120. So this is going to be somewhere here. So this angle, total angle is 120. It means this is 90 and this is 30. How many kilometers? 8 kilometers. Another 8 kilometer. Work out the distance from A to C. So now this is C. A to C. We want this distance and the bearing, this angle. This is the angle we are looking for. And this is 8, this is 8. It means this is an isosceles triangle. And so I know this distance. So okay, let me draw a bigger picture now. So this is, let's say, x. So x is going to be 180 minus 120, which is 60. So angle in a line add up to 180. Right? So if this is 60 now, right, these are equal. This angle and this angle. Then 180 minus 60. Right, okay, I'll take this is x and x. Already I took x, this is y and y. So y plus 60 equal 180. Sum of triangles. Sum of angles of triangles. So 2y plus 60 equal 180. 2y equal 180 minus 60, which is 120. 2y equal 120, y equal 60. So this is 60 and this is 60. Now this is 60, 60, 60. Now ABC is a equilateral triangle. Hence AC equal 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. And bear AC, bearing of C from A. It means from this is the north. We measure the angle 60. So bearing is 660. This is part B. Question number 4. A helicopter flies on. Okay, helicopter is here. So we will start bearing 200. Okay. So it start from here. But I need to get the direction now. 200. Right. This is 0, 30, 60, 90, and 150, 180. So this is 180 and 200. So basically it is going on this direction. Start from here. What is this angle? 200. It means if I draw a line like this, this is going to be 20. So this is the direction it is moving up to 170 kilometers. So this is A, this is B, 70 kilometers. Then From B to C, 150 bearings. So then this is the here, so I mark the north, then I start measuring the direction 5, 10, 20 and 90 and 150. It's going this direction. To C, where to C? due north, C is due south from A. It means C due south from A. South is here. Right? What is this angle? From here to here, 150. I can see this is going to be a alternate angle, Z angle. If this is 20, this is 20. All 150, then what is this one? 130. Then 130 plus 20, 150, and this is going to be 30. So I'll take this one as y. Y equal 150 minus 20, which is 130, because of alternative angles, opposite angles. Then y is 130, and I'll take this is x. X equal 180 minus 130 plus 20, angle of triangles add up to 180. So then this is going to be 30. So this is going to be 30. Now I'm going to use the sine rule. AC over sine 130 equal 70 over sine 30. So AC equal 70 times sine 130 divided by sine 30, which is 107.24 kilometers. So this is 107.24 kilometers. And the bearing of C from A. So it's going to be, you measure where's the C. So it is here. The angle is 180. The bearing is 180 from A. Question number 5. Two radar stations A and B are 60 kilometers apart, and A is due north from B. If this is B, A is like 60 kilometers A. This is B, this is E. A ship is known to be on bearing 150 from A. So 150. So I draw the north and I measure 150 from here. 0, 10, 20, 90 and 150 somewhere in this direction. So this is 150. It means this is 30. Then BC. 10 kilometers from B. So it means when I draw a circle with 10-kilometer radius, one point is here, another point is here, but I'll make it to differently. One point is here, another point is here. This is 10 kilometers. So this is the other position, 2 position. This is, we'll take, this is C1 and C2. So I have no two lengths now, this one and this one. And I will take this angle is X. If X is acute, this is the one, X is obtuse, then this is the one. So sine X over 16 equal sine 30 over 10. So sine X equal 16 times, first multiply, sine 30 over 10. 16 times sine 30 is half over 10. This is going to be 8 over 10. This is 3 or 4 over 5. X equals sine inverse 4 over 5, which is 53.1. So this is 53.1. And the other one is, let's say y. If this is 53.1, this is 53.1 because they have the same distance, radius basically. And y is 180, 53.1. 180, 126.9. So this is 126.9. Now I want to find distance between C1 and C2. I draw like this. This is C1, this is C2, this is 53.1, and this is 53.1, and this is 90, this is 10, and 10. So if I find this distance, then I can double. So basically, if I consider this is A length, so relationship between when I come and stand up in on angle, this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse, always front of 90 degrees. Then the ratio is going to be cos adjacent and hypotenuse. Cos 53.1 equal adjacent is A divided by H is 10. A equal 10 cos 53.1. Then I want to double. C1 C1 C2 equal 2A equal 2 times 10 cos 53.1, which is 12 kilometers. Also you can use this is 53 and you can find this angle and you can use the cos formula as well. So this angle is going to be 73.8, 180 minus this one, then you can use this one, C1 C2 square equal 10 square plus 10 square minus 2 times 10, 2 times 10 times 10, cos 73.8. When you work out this one, actually C1 C2 equal square root of this one. This is 100 10 square 200 minus 200 cos 73.8. Question number 6. Question number 6a. I draw this one. This is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. This is 50 and this is isosceles because of this one 50. So I need to find x. Then this is 50, 50, 100. This is going to be 80. If this is 80, this is going to be 100 as well. Now, there are few ways to do this one. Then I know this pair. Then sine rule is okay. And I know this distance. And then I can find this angle A. And then I write simple A. Then I can find simple B. Then again sine rule I can find x. So I'm going to find this angle now. Sine A over 5 equals sine 100 over 8. Then sine A equal 5 times sine 100 over 8. A equals sine inverse 5 times sine 100 over 8, which is 37.98. So this is okay. I will take 37.98. Then B equal 180 minus 100 minus 37.98, which is 42.0002. So this is going to be 42.02. Now again sine rule, x over sine 42.02 equal 8 over sine 100. X equal 8 times cos multiply sine 42 over 02 divided by sine 100, which is 5.44. Part B. When I look at this, I can see that from big triangle, this is 60 and this is 10. I know, so this is good for sine, and I want to find x. Then if I know this angle, I can put sine rule. Do I know this angle? Can I find this angle? Yeah, I can find this angle because I know all the uh, three values of this small triangle. So we'll put cos rule to this ADC triangle. Cos rule for ADC triangle. Uh, Cos A is this square minus this square plus this square minus 7 square. Then 2 times 6 times 10, which is 0.725. Then A is is cos inverse 0.725, which is 43.53, 43.53. So this is 43.53. Now we can put sine rule. X over sine 43.53 equal 10 over sine 60. X equal 10 times sine 43.53 divided by sine 60, which is 7.95 centimeters. Question part C. Uh, from sine rule, sine x equal 2.4. If I know this is alpha and DC. Uh, Sine alpha over DC. Then I can find. Now I want to find this angle and this distance. So this angle. So this is 50. This is 130. Then I have a long line and the angle, and if I found beta, because 3 over this one, then 180 minus this one, I can find alpha. And then the DC with the cos rule, and then again sine. Uh, First of all, let's find this one. Sine beta over 3.8 equal, this is 130 because this is 50, sine 130 over 2.4 plus 8.6. So sine beta equal 3.8 times sine 130 over beta equals sine inverse 3.8 sine 130 over 11. So it is going to be 15.35. So this is 15.35. Then I can find alpha, 180 minus 130 plus 15.35. This is 3465. 3465 this is. Then I'm going to find DC length. DC square equal 2.4 square plus 3.8 square minus 2 times 2.4, 3.8 sine 34.65. So DC square equal 5.195 and DC equal 2.28 approximately. So this is 2.28, this one DC. Now we'll put sine rule again. Sine x over 2.4, sine x over 2.4 equals sine 34.65 over 2.28. Then sine x equal 2.4 times sine 34.65 over 2.28. X equals sine inverse 2.4 times sine 34.65 over 2.28, which is so sine x over 2.5 sine 34 over 2.28 and cross multiply and inverse and 36.8. The answer. Question number 7a. We want to find the inequality that is 1 greater than x greater than 9. So when you look at a triangle, so you have what qualities do you know about the triangles? So this inequality based on one of that uh, characteristics. One characteristic of any triangle is addition of two sides is always greater than the third. So addition of two side is greater than the third side. So if we consider this one A, B and B, C, addition of this one x plus 2 plus 4 has to be greater than 7. So basically AB plus BC has to be greater than AC. This is a rule to one characteristics of any triangle. Then AB is 4 and this is x plus 2 and AC is 7. Then x plus 6 is 7. X equals 7 minus 6. X greater than 1. Another one. AB plus AC is greater than BC. That is also right. Addition of those side is greater than the third side. So AB is 4 and AC is 7 is greater than x plus 2. So this is 9. Sorry, 11 greater than x plus 2. So 11 minus 2 greater than x, 9 greater than x. So x has to be less than 9 and greater than 1. It means in number line 1 and 9. So x is in between those two. So 1 greater than x greater than 9. You can look at this one differently as well. So assume that I am going to bring this two line onto AC. It means this is radius 4 like this. This is the radius for circle and this distance is 4. Then I'll measure 2 radius here from C. So this is 2, radius 2. Then this is X distance. So then the minimum case is 7 has to be equal to 4 plus X plus 2. So then this is going to be uh, 7 plus X plus 6, X equal 1. So if X equal 1, then there are AC equal AB plus BC, but this is not a triangle. This is just two lines. So then it has to be greater than 1. The other argument is this is X and I am going to I can expand as much as X. So this is C, this is A, this is 7. I'll bring that one to this is 7 radius. So this is 7 and then this is going to be this is going to be I'll bring an overlap this A with this one I'm going to drag B. So this is 4. Now this distance has to be equal to x plus 2. Now x plus 2 equal 4 plus 7. It means x equal 9. X equal 9 is just a line. So to make a triangle, then x has to be smaller. In that case, this is become so now these are equal. CA AB equal CB, because I take A line and I put on CBC. I expand CB because x is varying. Now to make a triangle, I want to um, bring this BA plus AC less than x2. Is mean x has to be less than 9. Part B is they will give this one. We have to find x. So I'm going to use the cos rule. 7 square equal 4 square plus x plus 2 square minus 2 times 4 times x plus 2 cos 60. 49, 16, x square plus 2x plus 4, x square plus 4x minus 8 times x plus 2 cos 60 is 49. This is going to be x square plus 4x plus 20. This is going to be cancel out 2 and 4 minus 4x minus 8. X square plus 4x. Okay, minus 4x. This is cancel out. So x square equal 49 minus 20 plus 8. So x square equal 37. X equal positive value will take square root 37. 6.08 centimeter. Now this is for this is 8.6 plus 2 8.08. Now area of triangle ABC equal half 4 times 7 times wrong. Area of triangle ABC equal half 4 and 8.08 sine 60. We want to take the middle value, middle angle. So this is going to be 13.99 cm square. B part 2. Now this is 45. The same thing we need to do. 7 square equal 4 square plus x plus 2 square minus 2 times 4 times x plus 2 cos 45. So this is 49. This is 60. X square plus 4x plus 4 minus 8 times x plus 2 times 4 times x plus 2 over 1 over square root 2 cos 45. So then this is going to be square root 2. 49. Okay. 49 minus 16 minus 4 equal x square plus 4x. I'll bring this one for 16 This is minus square root times 4 x plus 2. This is another way, 4 square root 2. So then 4 square root 2x and 4 times 2, 8. 8 square root 2. Yes. What is this value? So this is 29. So I'll bring to other side. This is x square. Then from here I will take x out, and this is going to be minus 8 square root t. This is minus 29 equal. Now x equal, this is x. A equal 1, b equal this one, minus b, minus 4 minus 4 square root 2 plus 4 minus b square. So 4 minus 4 square root 2 square minus 4 times a is 1 times c is this one, minus 8 square root 2 plus 29 plus 29 over 2 times 1, 2a. So when you calculate this value x equal, you will get 7.23. Then 7.223 plus 2, 9.23. Then area is half 4 times 9.23 times sine 45, which is 13.05 cm square. For 3 significant, 13.1 cm square. Cos b equal 5 over 8. Cos b equal, this is b, 6 square plus 2 square minus x plus 1 square divided by 2 times 6 times 2. Cos b equal 5 over 8. Cos b equal this one. Then what is your conclusion? This is equal 5 over 8. Hence 6 square plus 2 square minus x plus 1 square over 6 times 2, 12 times 2, 24 equal 5 over 8. So this is, I can cancel out, this is 1, this is 3. Then cross multiply, 6 square plus 2 square minus x plus 1 square equal 5 times 3, 15. So 36 plus 4 minus x square plus 2x plus 2 equal 15. So 36 plus 4, 40. 40 minus x square minus 2x minus 2 equal 15. Everything to right side. Then x square plus 2x plus 2 plus 15 minus 40 equal 0. So 50 is positive, negative numbers become positive, positive number become negative. So x square plus 2x, this is going to be, sorry, this is plus 1. It has to be plus 1, then this has to be plus 1. Minus 24 equals 0. then x plus 6, x minus 4 equals 0, uh, hence x equal minus 6, so x equal 4, so x can't be minus 6 as uh, length can't be negative, hence x equal 4. Actually, I should clarify this one. Not because of x minus 6, because when I put x minus 6 here, minus 6x plus 1 is going to be a negative number. That's why that is uh, not possible. Assume in the calculation you get x equal minus 2, but x plus 7, then this is minus 2 plus 7 become what? Plus 5. It is possible. So this is 2, this is 4 plus 5 and 6, and now part B, we need to find the area. We need to know the angle. So we know cos B value 5 over 8. Then B equal cos inverse 5 over inverse 5 over 8, which is 51.31. 51.31. Then you can write half a triangle A base is half a A6 B2 sine 51.36. But we know that this is acute angle. There could be another answer as well. This is not the only answer. There should be another answer. There will be when you learn the trigonometry next lessons. You will see that. In other way, there is an identity called sine square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. This proof is in a chapter, actually, chapter 10. It's something like this. If this x and y point, if you take theta and this is a, you can write this is a cos theta. This is a sine theta. By Pythagoras, this square, a square cos square theta plus a square sine square theta equal a square. You can divide equation by a square, then remaining is cos square theta plus sine square theta equal 1. So this is identity. The use of this one, if you know sine, you can find cos. If you know cos, you can find sine. Now you can see that cos theta is given. So cos theta is 5 over 8. Then sine square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. I bring to other side. 1 minus 5 over 8 square. This is square. Cos theta then cos square theta means 5 over 8 square. 125 over 64. 64 minus 25 over 64. 39 over 64. So sine square equal 39 over 64 then. And sine theta equals square root 39 over 64. Now you can write half a is 6, b is 2, then sine this value is sine, let's say this is theta, this value is going to be the square root 39 over 64. So this angle you don't know, you know only cos theta is 5 over 8. Now you found out you want half a 6 into a sine theta. So sine theta you found out this one, and then you can get the 4.68 square centimeter.